To adjust the drive chain tension on your Polaris Indy VR1 with an 850 engine, follow these steps. Park the sled on a flat, level surface. Remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, rotate the driven clutch counterclockwise to its end stop to move all chain slack to the tensioner side. Then, lock the parking brake. Next, remove the fastener on the lower right side of the console. Then, remove the push rivet securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the push rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery for additional clearance. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent arcing. Next, loosen the adjuster bolt jam nut. Then finger tighten the adjuster bolt until it can no longer be adjusted by hand. Then back off 1/4 of a turn. Next, retighten the jam nut and torque to specification while holding the adjuster bolt. If equipped, reinstall the battery, beginning with the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Next, reinstall the push rivet underneath the console. Then install the push rivet on the lower right portion of the console. Also reinstall the lower console fastener and torque until fully seated. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.